Reverse
Hey,
mortgage,
if you're over the
bad
age
credit.
of 55 and trying to apply for a proprietary reverse mortgage, or if you're over the age of 62 and are applying for an FHA reverse mortgage and are thinking, does my credit score affect my eligibility of applying and entering into the program? So here's a couple of things I want to let you know. That your credit score does not determine if you are eligible for a reverse mortgage. However, there are some factors that you must consider, such as the lender will look back 24 months of your payment history on your mortgages, on your installment loans, and on your credit cards. We have certain criteria that we have to look at before we start questioning and asking you to provide an explanation of your lates. So if you were late on your mortgage a few times within the last 24 months, we want for you to let us know what was the extenuating circumstances of those lates. If you were late one time within 12 months or 24 months, just provide us a simple explanation on why the late happened. Same thing with credit cards, same thing with installment loans. We do have certain numbers that we have to watch out for, but this is why talking to a licensed and experienced reverse mortgage professional is extremely important. We also look back at 24 months of your homeowner's insurance, your property taxes, and your homeowners association. So if you had more than 30-day lates on any of those three, we will ask you to explain that, and sometimes we will ask you to provide supplemental documentation showing of why you were late on those items. Now, it's not the end of the world if you cannot explain it and you just have bad credit, something happened, you cannot explain the extenuating circumstances or the timelines don't match up. Don't worry. There's something called a life expectancy set aside. So as long as you have enough equity in the property, we can go ahead, set aside your property taxes and homeowners insurance in a nice little account. I call it the escrow account. That will continue to pay for a long duration of time while you're in the program. So if you have bad credit, please don't stop yourself from applying for a reverse mortgage. It's not the end of the world.